and gentlemen, here before us is one man poised to power vision with his manifestations. This poem is a record in recognitions with the many frontiers to unlock onto our generation. A stellar philanthropist, a youth advocate, and a wealth creator, a sports developer, a business strategist, a mentor, a giver, an avid promoter of youth entrepreneurship. A distinguished motivational speaker said, "This is who you are. This is who you are. Born into a galley, couldn't afford a 3 square meal a day. A son of a peasant farmer. Oh, never had a chance to play, but hey, he prayed and he worked hard. He worked hard, and today who would have thought that a clique could rise and build one of the biggest shipping lines in the world? You are indeed a true son of this soil. We celebrate you and the Atlantic Kabu the first. Gubana, I say hello. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, these are 2 classic masterpieces of art. I know you all do agree with me, and I believe that you can do a bigger round of applause to celebrate their work and appreciate them as well as appreciate the man at the center of all of it. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, Dr. Daniel Macaulay.
I want to take this opportunity to thank all of you. I can never change over share Oshpon. Madam Ovation. Thank you very much. I appreciate your presence here. Captains of industry, I welcome all of you, and I want to thank you very much for supporting me in this on this day. I believe you all know me, and you all know what I can do and what I'm doing. As humble as I come before you, my nature is to find opportunities. My nature is to build Ghana. My presence here is to make a difference. My presence is to make a very big impact. I've been 30 years in aviation and shipping, and I believe that opportunity comes, but it's whoever, they said the first bird catches the worm. My goal as an individual is to put my country as a brand to be recognized in the world. My goal as an individual is to build what I can build for my country. McDan Aviation is not for McDan. It's for the business community and top-class executives. And this is the only place we will be recognized in the entire business community in the introduction of the continental free trade, that we all see what we think is impossible. Now, private jets is no more a luxury. A lot of people think it's a luxury. Private jets is no more a luxury. And this is what McDan Aviation is bringing to the doorstep of the diplomatic corps, the politicians, and the business community as a whole. I want to thank all of you for coming tonight. I don't have much to say, but I just want you to understand that we must have the can-do spirit. We must have the can-do spirit. No matter how difficult the terrain is, we have to do it. We have to defy all odds and do it, because this is our country. And we have to stand up for what is good. So I'm calling on all the business community to look within. We cannot be investing outside this country where there are a lot of opportunity here. And I believe that this current government is a business government, and is supporting us and will support us to make a very big difference and a very big impact. Thanks to all of you. There you are done.